Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
You are going to love the 2019 Impala. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.